Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weekly's Happy Weekend. My name is Josh, and today I'm be discussing Cosmos and its native token Atom, and I'll be forecasting three scenarios for the Atom token till December 2023, which is the end of the year. I'll be using data since March of 2019 and at a monthly average price level. And the three scenarios are what could happen to Atom in a base case, a bull case, and a bearish case scenario at a monthly average price level, and I'll be using an AI technique to forecast the price using these historical data at a monthly level. So let's get started. This chart that you're seeing on the screen is Atom's price action at a monthly level, color coded using z-score, which is a metric of how far is the current price away from the average price for the entire time series in terms of standard deviation. When the color is green, that means the token is having a low price compared to a lower price than its average price, and is undervalued and theoretically, and uh, when it's in red color, the darker red shades point to an overvaluation phase for the token vis-a-vis historical average price. So as we see that Cosmos Atom token has had a monthly average price of $36 in January 2022, when the z-score was 2.3. That means the price was 2.3 standard deviation away from the mean, and ever since that, in the bear market in 2022, the price had found its lows in June of 2022 to a z-score of negative 0.40, and the price of $7.84. So in the month of July, the price, I believe, is around $8 right now. And I'm sorry, the price currently is around nine and a half, almost $9.75, and it did visit almost $8.25 sometime in May or June. So I just wanted to show because I have kept data till March of 2023. I wanted to show the the performance of my AI model that I have created. First, I have created a AI model for Atom in April. I wanted to evaluate the performance from April till June, and if that trajectory matches the actuals that you can see on price tracking websites such as TradingView or CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, you could see that when in March, when the average price was $11.77, we did witness a crash in April and May to almost 8.5 USD. But the forecast for June, which is 6.79 USD, that didn't materialize because Atom did held a higher valuation than $6.79, which was forecasted in June. Nonetheless, the forecast did do a fair job to track the price till May. So for July, this model has forecasted, and this is not financial advice. This is use of historical data to forecast using AI technique. So for July, the model has forecasted a, a rally back to $7.2. But as you know that in June, the crash to $6.80 never happened. So there could be two scenarios for the base case with the recent data added. It could be, in terms of percentage, it would be around uh, almost 10% rise from where the price was in June, which is around $8.50. So pretty close to where Atom is trading right now. Similarly, in August, if we apply the same logic, the price would be shifted to $9.90, so almost $10. In September, it would be almost $12. Although you're seeing $11 over here, we do have to consider the actuals for June being different from what we had forecasted. So for October, it's around $12 again. For November, it's $11.50, and for December, it is $10.30. So that's the base case scenario for Atom. The range being from $8 to almost $12. from sorry, from $9 to $12 till December of 2023. For the bullish case scenario, again, this is something that came pretty close, I would say, for the month of June, although there was a steeper decline in the months prior. So let's assume this as a theoretical ceiling um, going forward. So for July, the theoretical ceiling is at and this ceiling might be breached by like couple of cents here and there. Nonetheless, the average price would still revolve around these prices. The bullish case forecast that I'm sharing right now, and this is again not financial advice. Just wanted to highlight that for July, the monthly average price forecasted is at $10.20. For August, it's $11.25. For September, it's $13 almost. For October, it's $12.70. For November, it's $12.30, and for December, it's $11.40. So this is the trajectory. Again, a rally till September is what is forecasted, and then in the later half, or in the later quarter, the last quarter, the model has forecasted a decline to almost from $13 to $11.50. So about, in terms of percentage, it would be around 20%. The third case that I wanted to share is, I know there has been a significant divergence from what I had forecasted, or my model had forecasted, since April till June. Nonetheless, it would help us uh, in a scenario of a further bearish moment till or further bearish outlook till December. What could happen instead of us reaching the depths of $4.50? Maybe instead it's everything is multiplied by 2 based on what we have seen to till June. So the floor could be, instead of $4.30, would be $8.60. uh, Instead of $6.60, it could be $12 almost. We do have to take into the consideration of diminishing gains as well in this scenario. So it could be around $11. Over here it could be around um, I guess around $10. uh, and for October it is around $9 again. So it's, we could have like a small multiplier to about $10. And in November again, around $9.5. For December it's around $8.2. So this is the floor for going forward. Just wanted to cover the trajectory. July could be around $8. Then again from $8 to almost 9.5 over here, to almost 10, little over $10 in September. In October, then again starts to fade around, slightly lower than $10, slightly lower, higher than $9.5, and uh, in December around $8.2, considering what didn't happen in June. So these are all the forecasts. I did want to share or evaluate my forecasts that I created in April. I know there are certain cases where it is accurate, whereas especially the bearish case hasn't quite materialized yet. But the purpose of these videos is not to pinpoint what particular scenario can happen in the future, but to cover all the scenarios that might happen. And as the market can either have a strong bullish, strong bearish, or sideways or base case. So either out of the three forecasts, only at max two could be accurate. So that's why the third forecast is actually um, conditional on market and market macro trends. If that doesn't quite pan out, then that means that case gets invalidated. So I hope you like this content. If you do, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel, and also do check out the other altcoin based videos or Bitcoin and crypto pertaining playlists that I have on this channel. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.